This is a New York State testing sampler. It's from sampler number 3 and it's question number 2. It involves linear equations and slope. This is for 8th grade. So this one asks you which table of values represents a linear function. Well, it helps to know what linear means. So linear would mean that we have a constant slope, which are change in y over change in x, or a rise over run will be the same for everything. So I'm just going to start by checking this out. So let's start with letter D. As the x goes up by 1, the y goes up by 2. But notice here, the x goes up by 3. The y still goes up by 2. This is not linear because one of our slopes would turn out to be 2 over 1 with our change in y over change in x. One would turn out to be 2 over 3. It cannot be choice D. Let's try the same thing here. If you go up by 1, you go up by 2. Now it changes to going up by 3 and going up by 6. Well, you might think at first that is not linear, but look, 2 over 1 would reduce to 2. It is just 2. 6 divided by 3 reduces to 2. So we're still linear. We need to check our third one. So if I go up by 5 and I go up from 8 to 18, I'm going up by 10. So this would be 10 over 5, which reduces to 2. In fact, we have just happened upon the answer, but let's say we didn't. Let's make sure that we know how to check the others. So with choice A, we would go up by 1, and we go up by 1. Then we're going to go up by up by 3, and up by 16. So our first one would be 1 over 1, which is just 1, but our second one is 16 over 3. That is most certainly not 1. And our choice B, we go up by 1 and up by 2. Then we go up by 3 and up by 6. So we're still okay. We have a slope of 2 over 1. 6 over 3 reduces to 2. But then we go from plus 5 and we go from 9 to 20. So we're going plus 11. So this would be 11 over 5, which is just a little bit over that 2, like 2.2. So we know it can't be B. So it has to be choice C.